How to fix Tinder photos not uploading. To fix the Tinder photos that are not uploading, you simply have to first things first, grant the app proper camera storage, permissions, and compress your file or email. You have to compress your image file size and also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, try switching to a better network. Now all you have to do is launch the application itself or open your device's app gallery. From here, locate the Tinder application icon. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and long press the icon itself, tap on this app info panel. From here, head to the permissions section, and within this allowed option, if there is not camera or photos and videos, you should be able to find this not allowed option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, make sure to allow these features. Once this is allowed, you should be able to now upload the photos on Tinder. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.